Hello and welcome back to the Blockchain and Web3 Insights channel. Today we delve into a key question. How do we know the information stored in a blockchain is trustworthy? The answer lies in consensus mechanisms. These algorithms, designed to achieve agreement among a network of computers, are the beating heart of blockchain technology. They ensure that every transaction recorded is genuine and every piece of data is verifiable. In essence, a blockchain isn't a solitary entity, but a community, a network of computers that work together, each having a voice in the decision-making process. It's a democratic system where consensus mechanisms act as the impartial judge, making sure all voices are heard and all transactions are validated. These mechanisms aren't a one-size-fits-all solution, though. They vary from blockchain to blockchain, each with its unique approach to achieving consensus. Whether it's Bitcoin's proof of work or Ethereum's proof of stake, each consensus mechanism has its unique strengths and challenges. Understanding consensus mechanisms unveils the secret behind the trustworthiness of blockchain technology. They are the silent guardians, the invisible hand that ensures your data remains secure and the system stays fair and transparent. So let's dive deeper into the world of consensus mechanisms and discover how they shape the trust in blockchain. To grasp the essence of consensus mechanisms, think of a simple handshake, a mutual agreement. This mirrors the core of consensus mechanisms in blockchain. But let's not stop at the surface, let's plunge into the depths of this intriguing system. Now, why is a handshake, or in our case, a consensus, so crucial? Well, in the world of blockchain, it's not about a single decision maker or a central authority. It's more like a bustling community where every member has a voice. So imagine, you're in a room filled with people, each with their own ideas and opinions. How do you reach an agreement that satisfies everyone? That's the magic of consensus mechanisms. In a blockchain network, every computer or node plays a part in validating transactions. They all contribute to deciding what's true and what's not. But without a consensus mechanism, this could turn into a chaotic shouting match. That's where these mechanisms come into play. They act like a democratic system, ensuring that every node's voice is heard and considered, ultimately leading to a decision that reflects the collective agreement. Without consensus mechanisms, the decentralized nature of blockchain could be its downfall. It's these mechanisms that maintain balance and harmony, allowing the system to function smoothly and efficiently. They are the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes, ensuring every transaction is validated and every block added to the chain is genuine. In a decentralized system like blockchain, consensus mechanisms play a vital role in validating transactions and maintaining harmony. They are the glue that holds the entire system together, the thread that weaves through every transaction, ensuring the integrity and reliability of the blockchain. So while they might seem complex and technical, their essence is as simple and profound as a handshake, an agreement, a consensus. Every blockchain, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, employs a unique method to achieve consensus. Some rely on solving complex mathematical problems, while others use a more democratic voting system. Let's take a closer look at these mechanisms. The most well-known of these is the proof of work mechanism, which is used by Bitcoin. Picture a group of miners, each trying to solve a complex puzzle. The first one to solve it gets the right to add the next block to the blockchain. This process is not only energy-intensive, but also requires a lot of computational power. On the other hand, Ethereum transitioned to a different mechanism in 2022, known as proof of stake. Here, the validators, or the ones who get to add the next block, are chosen based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. It's like a lottery system, where your chances of winning increase with the number of tickets you hold. But the world of consensus mechanisms doesn't end here. There are also mechanisms like delegated proof of stake, where stakeholders elect a few representatives to do the validating for them, or proof of authority, where only a select few trusted entities have the right to validate transactions. Each of these mechanisms has its pros and cons, its strengths and weaknesses. What they all have in common, though, is their goal: to ensure that everyone in the network can agree on the truth. To delve deeper into these mechanisms, we invite you to explore our comprehensive Medium article. It's a treasure trove of information written with the aim of making this complex world a little more understandable. Why does understanding consensus mechanisms matter to you? It's simple. They are the guardians of your data on the blockchain. These invisible custodians ensure the security of your transactions, maintain the transparency of operations, and keep the blockchain tamper-proof. So let's break this down. In the realm of blockchain, consensus mechanisms ensure security. They do this by validating every transaction that takes place. With multiple nodes involved in this process, any malicious attempt to alter the data can be quickly detected and neutralized. But it's not just about security. Transparency is another critical aspect. With consensus mechanisms in place, every transaction is visible to all participants. This transparency allows for real-time auditing, making the blockchain a trustworthy system. Moreover, the immutability or tamper-proof nature of blockchain is also a result of consensus mechanisms. Once a transaction has been validated and added to the blockchain, it cannot be modified or deleted. This ensures the permanence of the data and contributes to the system's robustness. Therefore, consensus mechanisms play a crucial role in maintaining the trustworthiness of the blockchain. They ensure that every transaction is genuine, every piece of information is verified, and the entire system remains transparent and secure. In essence, consensus mechanisms are the heartbeat of the blockchain. They keep the system alive, functioning smoothly, and most importantly, trustworthy. Without them, the blockchain would lose its essence of decentralization and security. Consensus mechanisms uphold the trust and reliability we associate with blockchain. They are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes, ensuring that we can trust the technology that is reshaping our world. While they may not often be the main topic of discussion, consensus mechanisms breathe life into the blockchain. They are the unseen hands that guide and guard the integrity of this revolutionary technology. Providing a democratic platform for all participants, they ensure the trustworthiness of each transaction and the consistency of the entire system. Each blockchain, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, has its unique consensus mechanism. Whether it relies on solving complex mathematical problems or employs a more democratic voting system, the goal is the same: to uphold the authenticity and transparency that we associate with blockchain. Why does this matter to you? Simply put, consensus mechanisms are the guardians of your data on the blockchain. They protect your transactions, making sure that every piece of information is verified and genuine. In essence, they are the heartbeat that keeps the blockchain alive, making it the resilient and trustworthy system we value. Our journey today was just a quick glance at the surface. For those of you who are intrigued and wish to delve deeper into the workings of consensus mechanisms, our comprehensive Medium article is just a click away. We appreciate you spending time with us today. For a deeper dive, our Medium article awaits your perusal. Until next time.